Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn flashcards quickly. First, focus on creating effective cards. Ensure each card has a single, clear piece of information. This makes recall much easier. Next, actively test yourself rather than just rereading. This method strengthens your memory pathways. Finally, implement spaced repetition to optimize your learning. This technique helps you remember information over the long term. When crafting your flashcards, clarity is key. Put a question or prompt on one side and the answer on the other. Consider adding relevant images or simple diagrams to enhance understanding, especially if you're a visual learner. Keep your answers concise. Aim for 10 words or fewer. This forces you to distill information to its core, making it easier to recall quickly during review sessions. To truly boost your recall, engage in active learning. Before flipping a card, try to say the answer aloud. This verbalization strengthens your memory. For an even deeper connection, write down your answer before checking. After reviewing, sort your cards into categories like hard, good, or easy. This helps you focus on the material you need to practice most, improving efficiency. Spaced repetition is a powerful strategy for long-term retention. Review your hard cards much more frequently, perhaps daily. For easy cards, gradually increase the time between reviews, moving from days to weeks. Many excellent flashcard apps can automate this scheduling for you, ensuring you review material at optimal intervals. This method prevents forgetting and solidifies your knowledge over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.